Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer BNB from Coinbase Wallet to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance coin for better portfolio management or to take advantage of Uphold's features, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates in the crypto world. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have both a Coinbase wallet and an Uphold account set up. You'll need some BNB in your Coinbase wallet to transfer. Why do this? Uphold offers great staking options and multi-asset support, so it's a smart move for 2025's evolving market. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet app or website and log in. Navigate to your BNB holdings. Select the amount you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transfers aren't reversible, so only send what you intend. Step 2. Head over to your Uphold account. Go to the wallet section and find your BNB address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, initiate a transfer. Paste the Uphold BNB address into the To field. Enter the amount, double-check everything, and review any fees. Network fees can vary, so aim for a time when they're low to save costs. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Hit send. Now, wait for the blockchain to process it. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always use the BNB Smart Chain for this transfer to keep fees minimal. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, check Blockchain Explorers or contact support. And there you have it. Your BNB is now in Uphold. This simple step can open up new opportunities in 2025's crypto landscape. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.